Okay, welcome to Trade Review for Monday, September 21st. I traded two stocks today pretty heavily. The first one was KERX. I've traded this on and off in the past, biotech that keeps having news pop. But this stock is also famous for popping and dropping. All these pops here, and it just fades away, fades away. So this last bit of news has actually held up quite well, and some news came over the wire this morning that KERX is going to present tomorrow at a conference. So that always keeps everyone on their toes. It keeps the shorts scared, and it keeps the longs greedy. So I figured there'd be some opportunity. I bought first at I bought in the pre-market actually. The news came over in the pre-market. I bought some at 218, and then I added again at 222 on this pullback. Right here now, 222, and then it pulled back, and I waited. Actually formed a nice little flag, getting ready to break out, and I sold into this flag at 227 and 229 up here. I actually had more to go. This was the resistance line I was dealing with, so I was trying to take profits before that. Actually, right after I sold it, it grabbed my offer so fast that I went right back and I doubled my size, and I bought another lot at 231. So I did catch a bit of this move. 231, and I sold at 237 and 238 towards the top of this move. And then I just kind of waited. I wanted to see how it closed today. It closed pretty strong, but it wasn't enough to get me buying for overnight, because I don't know what they're going to present tomorrow. So that basically was the move. You know, the move was the unknown. If you're holding overnight, it's probably just gambling. We'll see what the news is, and if it's good news and there's some momentum, I'll get back in this one. The other one I traded was an audio news play. This is CYTK, CYTK. They've had some releases lately about their pipeline and what they're planning to do, and a few days ago, the 18th. And then today at about 1:30, right here, you can see the news pop. Came up with my audio news that an analyst had upgraded, Wedbush had upgraded them to $18 a share. So from 4 to 18. Actually, they were 4 to 11. They reiterated and upped it to 18 after the news they got from the company. So this was strong all day. Right away, I grabbed as much. I just grabbed a whole bunch right at 424 and 425. As soon as I heard the news, I just filled my order, just hit bye-bye, and bought twice. Even though this was 25 cents, 30 cents up off the news, I mean, that $18 price target just kind of gave you a lot of cushion. And if you go to the daily, this thing's been basing for a while. It's just starting to extend right now. If you go to the weekly, there's still some room. We hit the first resistance area, $5. Tomorrow we'll probably hit $5.50, depending on how strong we are, maybe even $6.50. But I would expect us, if as long as these guys don't report poor results in any of their phase 1, 2, or 3 studies, that this will continue up at least to the 650 area zone is my guess if the momentum stays. But I'm going to be playing this intraday. I played a lot today, and I just kept a small bit overnight as a swing. Those are my only two trades I took today. One I missed was Palm. This was actually called out in our chat room, but I was busy with the other stocks. So I didn't even look at it. I looked at it later, and what a launch here from 420 up to 1620 with good liquidity, lots of volume. So I missed out on that. And here's another one that's been good is Pier 1, PIR. Missed out on this one too. This is a couple of days here of action, actually a week of action, but today was its biggest move by far, from $3 to $3.80. With increasing volume. So that was a good opportunity that was missed. You could have got right here on the break to new high, 315, and you would have never looked back. Actually, the whole day's move was pretty smooth, pretty safe. But that's life. You miss them. Hope you had a good day.